How many people here have just got their job title at the company they work at on their headline? Yeah, no one's admitting to it, but I bet a few of you have, because this is quite standard. This is what it was back in the old days. But LinkedIn has changed, and like most things on LinkedIn, they didn't bother telling you that they had actually changed. So this is quite common. Regional Director at the Alpha Group International. Okay, so what does the Regional Director actually do, and what do the Alpha Group International do? I don't know. What we need is something along the lines of telling people what it is that we do. You've got 220 characters now, so you can do more than that, just that one line. The reason I suggest that you do that is, again, it's part of that top of your profile that people will see without having to scroll. They've given you 220 characters that suggests it's a good idea to use them. But also, as you move around LinkedIn and you pass comments on other people's, again, you leave this behind so people can see it. So I suggest it's definitely worth using all 220.